Make sure the edge is flush before we roll it.
Copy that. A few more taps should do it.
We need to move these rings to section 4. Is the forklift clear yet?
Clear the base, pressure stabilizing at 50%.
Supports are locked in.
Hand me the gauge, please.
Here you are. The reading is stable.
All right, secure the harness and double check the fitting.
Torque wrench engaged on bolt 4. Pressure holding steady at 200 psi.
All right, moving to the next sequence.
Easy now, coming down slow.
Clear on this side, alignment looks good.
Hold steady, we're almost there.
The alignment looks slightly off on the forward skirt.
Stand by, adjusting the load.
Okay, check the seam right there with the light.
Check the seam right here, tolerance looks tight.
Yeah, within acceptable limits, the automated pass should seal it.
Sequence 3104 is nominal.
Roger that. All clear for the lift, bring it up slow.
Torque levels confirmed on the C-section valve.
Okay, I'm sealed here. Let's move to the main assembly point.
Bring the starboard fin up just a few more degrees for alignment.
Okay, bring it down slowly.
Looks aligned on this side.
Ready for bolts? Check the gauge, is it stable?
Reading 4.88, holding steady.
Roger that. Bringing the tank down to the mount point now.
Copy. We have green light on alignment.
This is the main turbine assembly. We're finalizing the connections before the hot fire.
Pressure readings on manifold 3 look nominal.
Confirmed. We are cleared for ignition sequence.
Copy that. Proceed with the descent. Watch the starboard coupling, make sure it clears the staging area.
Check the torque on fitting B47.
Reading 250 Newton meters.
Clear for final tap.
All right, team, initiate the lift sequence on my mark. Keep an eye on the alignment sensors. Copy that. Proceeding with caution.
We need to verify the torque on this fitting right here. It looks slightly off spec.
Okay, I'll double check the nozzle alignment while you do that.
Lowering to position. Confirm alignment. Struts engaged.
Struts engaged. Coming down steady.
Tank is secured. Loading complete.